Put it in, man. It's your boy Nato Nation. Ooh, but that camera look crazy on God, but the car look crazy. But like I said, but it's your boy Nato Nation, bro. Gotta get some new tires. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna go ahead. Look at that shit, bro. Small as hell. I mean, bald as hell. Inside bald, outside not too bad, but it's, you know, what you call this shit? Camber? What up? Yeah, I got this shit going on in my car. Especially this side right here. This side's so not bad. That side is, yeah. Okay, we finna go get some new tires though. I'm finna see some 275 feet. $150 for 2 back tires? $150 for 2 back tires? Crank it up. Yo, we in there though. Oh God, I'm finna go ahead and get these tires. And I'm finna get y'all POV. Let me show y'all though, bro. This car is so bad on like grip, whatever you wanna call it, bro. That shit so damn bad. Like when I press that whole, it really don't even matter how fast I'm going. I can press that on the freeway. I can feel that back side just spin, go crazy. I just spun right there. You see the light? I just spun right there. I'm in eco mode, fam. Eco. Okay? You got bald tires, bro. Yeah, change them hoes out ASAP, especially in the rain, bro. I'm literally just driving, bro. I'm going side to side. Can't help it. Can't help it. It is what it is. I wonder if I can blow these hoes. I'm finna get a new tire anyway. Let me throw this bitch in track mode real quick. Golly. Sideways, stop. Damn. That motherfucker pop. That motherfucker blow. But those 305s up front, but they do the job, man. God, gang. You can hear that whole spinning. It's just that tire spinning. The other side get loose sometimes. That's only when I'm like fully down on the throttle. This side right here just be spinning just cause. Y'all hear this shit, bro? They completely stopped, bro. All I got is an exhaust, full exhaust. You hear this shit, bro. This shit sound beautiful, bro. If you want your shit to burble like that, all you gotta do is tap the gas. That's all you gotta do. But I'll get back with y'all. I ain't gonna push it too much, not yet. I'm gonna push that hoe when I get me some tires. Spinning right now. I ain't even doing shit. But just not pull up at my tie shop. Just not pull up at my tie shop. Let's see what they talking about. Boy. They better give me the same deal they gave my homeboy. Cause if they don't, I'm gonna be high little shit. He looking at my shit like my shit broke. What's going on, fam? Like I said, but you gotta put your e-brake on. Just cause. Gonna find out they only got one tire, but for $80. I ain't tripping on that at all. And it's a 305. I gotta go to another shop and gotta find me one for that side. Once I do that, I'm gonna do. Oh God, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the old. Tell you, but I could not drive on that bit much longer, but that shit finna blow. That shit finna blow. I've been on that bit too long. Alright, so we just not pull up to the next spot on God. Let's see if they got these tires, bro. Let's see if they got these motherfucking tires. I ain't gonna lie, folks. Boy, they got all the tires in the world, bro. This place right here, bro, got me a brand new, what they did. I think I'm finna put a 30 on them. So it's gonna look like this. It ain't gonna be, it's not gonna be as thick as this one. This one here thick as hell. Look at that shit, that be fat as hell. This shit can spin so even. But the price is right, bro, God. This one right here is 70, the other one 80. So we back in the door. Let me go on ahead and get y'all POV. Oh shit, you know I gotta roll down the window. Let me roll down the window real quick. Oh God. Gotta get y'all that sound. Hopefully I can make it out of here without scraping. That's a big ass, I don't even know what to call that. They're like a speed bump, but it ain't a speed bump. Yeah, no, I ain't scraped at all. Everybody pushing out there hoe. Gotta put my shit in track mode. What the fuck? Who'd you calling? Who's it? What? Anyway, I'm good now. Spinning already. That's cause they wet tires though. But we good now, boy. Finally got me some tires, bro. I ain't gotta worry about nothing, bro. And it ain't cold today. That's good. Ooh, it's a wide body behind me. I gotta talk now. I gotta talk now. It's a fucking Hellcat. Oh, y'all. Yo. Yo, I'm finna get behind his ass. Oh, God, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. That light can turn green. If that light ahead turn green and this one don't, bro, I'm going. I gotta catch the Hellcat. I don't give no fuck. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. See what you're talking about. See what you're talking about. Hellcat. Hellcat. Ah! Turn up for the one time. So look at that, fam. You getting on the freeway with me? Nigga feel happy as fuck. And a scat just peeled out ahead of us. And my car keep going sideways because the tire's still wet. Hellcat! Hellcat! Oh shit! He going around his ass because that nigga acting slow. Nigga acting slow. Oh God, Hellcat! Gotta turn up for the one time, Hellcat! Oh, he finna act the ass. I already see it. I see his ass in the background. He pushing that hoe. He floating that hoe. Hellcat! Hellcat! Come on, man. I know you wanna push that hoe. I know you wanna push that hoe. Oh, he finna float this bitch. He getting out of traffic for him. Push that hoe, nigga. Smash it, nigga. Don't get beside me, cause I'm not finna race. Don't get beside me, cause I'm not finna race. It's a Hellcat. He leaving my ass. On gang, he leaving me. All the way in the days. Wait. This a Hellcat I know. This a Hellcat I know. You'll be on YouTube, big bro. Like, share, subscribe. If you see this video, like, share, subscribe. Let them boys know who you is. I wanna hit that bitch. Ah, he want me to follow. I mean, he wanna follow me. Nigga, don't be getting that active out there, hoe. Hellcat! No, that's how it be, bro. That's how it be. When a nigga got a Hellcat, bro, it's just different, bro. Shit just hit different, bro. He pulling hard as fuck. Nigga, oh, he behind me. He behind me. I can't get away. Cause it's a fucking Hellcat, brody. It's a fucking Hellcat, brody. Ain't no getting away from his ass. Ain't no getting away from his ass, bro. Close as fuck. Close as fuck. I can't keep up. I cannot keep up. Yo, shit too fast. I'm trying to catch. I can't catch him. I caught him. His shit gotta be an eco. He ain't got the red key. He does not have the red key. Cause ain't no way. Fuck. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. That bitch look beautiful, bro. I gotta slow my ass down. I'm not gonna put this hoe cause my front end suspension a little fucked up right now. A little messed up right now. I wonder how much G for. That nigga keep walking me. That's the other scat that peeled out in front of us, bro. That's the other scat, bro. Let me roll up my windows because I probably had that much sound. And that scat, he getting active. The scat getting active up there. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? I can't get through none of this shit. Go ahead, Cat. Go ahead, Cat. That you. That you. If you don't go, I'ma go. Roll down the window real quick, man. Oh, you hear, bro? You hear that shit? Nigga turned up to the max. Turned up to the max. I gotta put my shit too then. You want snacks? I can snacks too. Just not as hard. You feel me? Just not as hard. You hear that shit though? Hell nah, boy. I gotta give me a cat. Got to, boy. I'm finna Hellcat swap. I was on twin turbo. But nah, bro, Hellcat swapping is way better, bro. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. That nigga spitting out gasoline? Oh nah, he just put his damn windshield wiper fluid all on my shit. It's cool though, I ain't tripping, you know. Cause that shit kinda hard, you know. You got me wet. No homo. No homo, pause. You got my car wet. Oh gang. I'm so glad I was able to get new tires before I did this, cause one of them bitches would've blew. I already know it, we were pushing. I don't even know how fast I was going. This GTA roleplay, by the way, this ain't real life. So don't try none of this shit. And don't try to recreate this shit in real life, cause it ain't gonna go well. Float in that hole. Float in that hole. There go that scat. Is that a scat? Oh, 345, 345, 345. Go ahead, push that hole, my nigga. Boy, we got a scat, Hellcat, and an RT on the road. He was just getting active. Why he ain't get active no more? Why he ain't get active no more? Go ahead and get active, bro. Oh, he trying to. He stuck. Hellcat, get off my ass, bro. I'm trying to leave you. You on my balls. I can't get on you. I love this shit, bro. I love it, bro. I gotta get over though, on God. Ooh, Hellcat, Hell Kitty for the win. But I thought that was police. I thought that was police, but I thought it was over with. Oh God. Oh my goodness, bro. Just beautiful, bro. I'ma let him win though. I'ma let him go ahead and go. I don't wanna put this hoe no more. I'm scared. Shit just different, bro. When a nigga leaves, bro, it be the saddest shit ever. I wish I caught it. I had to put the camera down because somebody was acting an ass in front of me. But damn, it should be so sad, bro. You know, you throw it the deuces on God and then just part away. Remind me of that what that movie called? Fast and Furious, the Paul Walker scene. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. Nigga just finna run, just skip through everything. And I gotta give me some more brakes ASAP. Listen to this shit. I ain't doing it now. This shit was squeaking hard as fuck. These brakes about done for, oh my God. But hey man, I'ma end this video right here. That car loud as hell. I'ma end the video right here cause my phone finna die and all that. But hey, bro, if you like the content, bro, go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Nardo Nation will be big one day. I'm telling you, but you better remember this name. Anyway, bro, I'm out of here, but y'all enjoy yourself. Gang.